Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your site. Make a full backup of files and the database, or spin up a local copy. Once done, log into WordPress and open Appearance Right Arrow Theme File Editor or Plugins Right Arrow Plugin Editor. Make sure you select a child theme or use a code snippets plugin before editing. This prevents update overwrites. You're now positioned to make the first safe change. Scan the targeted file, and keep the backup handy in case you need to roll back. You'll work methodically. Pick the precise file to modify functions, PHP for hooks style, CSS for CSS, or a plugin file for behavior changes. Make one small edit at a time, save, then immediately test the site to catch errors quickly. Use the editor's syntax highlighting and line numbers to avoid syntax mistakes, and paste the original code into a temp file before changing anything. This way you can revert a single change quickly, and you reduce the risk of bringing the site down. You finish by clicking Update File, and then clearing any caches so your changes show immediately. Test both front-end and admin pages to confirm functionality. If a fatal error appears, don't panic. Restore the original file using FTP, your hosting file manager, or the backup you made. As a troubleshooting tip, if edits repeatedly cause issues, disable the theme and plugin file editor permanently via wp-config PHP to force safer workflows. This protects you while you fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.